सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्. Om. Page 42, second chapter, verse 69. Anurupānukūlā ca yasya me patidevata शून्ये गृहे मां संत्यज्य पुत्रैः स्वर्याति साधुभिः पुत्रैः स्वर्याति साधुभिः. Dattatreya pointing out that the samsara problem in the world you can see everywhere, and you can learn a lesson from that. I don't want to be like that. Whenever we see some sorrow in people in the world, I want to be free from that sorrow. I have to decide. After deciding that, I have to understand why they are getting sorrow, why they are sorrowful people, what is the reason. I have to find out. The reason I have to find out. Then what is the remedy for that sorrow also? I have to find out. If I am a discriminative person, if I have viveka, thinking, when other person is in adverse situation, this should not come to me. Naturally we think like that. This type of situation should not come to me. Everyone feels like that. But why that adverse situation has come to him? What is the reason? Under what circumstances that has come? That person facing, under what circumstances he is facing? So those causes, consequences, before that the cause also I have to find out. How to find out? Only through Shastra Guru we get that caliber, capacity to study that. Without Shastra study, Bhagavad Gita, Puranas, scriptures, Upanishad, without studying that, I cannot become a qualified person to study them. I may desire, I don't want to enter into such a type of trouble. But the desire may come, but how to study about that? That capacity comes only when you study Shastra. Minimum, basic Shastra. Shastra means what? The teaching of Vedas, Upanishads. Properly from a teacher. That's why it is called a life manual. We call this Shastra as a life manual. For every gadget you have a manual. For refrigerator you have a manual. For grinder you have a manual. For every gadget, whatever you are using, they give a manual. They teach you how to open this, how to activate it, how to make use of it. All of us know that we are all experts also in that. But that knowledge of that manuals using the gadgets is not going to help lifelong. When you are using that gadget, it may help you. That is fine. But you are using another gadget. Every one of us using one gadget because of which all other gadgets are used. See the wonder, beauty here. Because of which gadget you are using all other gadgets. Without this gadget body-mind complex, you can never use those gadgets. So primary gadget is what? Your own body, mind, complex, sense, organs, intellect, all are put together one beautiful gadget given by the Lord. These are all human-made gadgets. Telephone, computer, TV, all those things are human-made gadgets. For human-made gadgets, human-made manuals you are reading. What about the God-made manual, body-mind complex? God-made Shastra manual you have to study or not? Tell me. You decide. When you are making use of all those gadgets, with which gadget, is it not our responsibility to know about this gadget? What is this body? How it has come? What is this mind? What is the nature of mind? What is its cause? How it functions? What are the sense organs? How they are born? How they are functioning? How long they are going to function? These are all said in Shastra beautifully. The whole gadget manual is Shastra. Body-mind complex gadget. Beautiful, wonderful, excellent gadget manual is Shastra. When you are attending Wednesday class or Thursday class or any of my Veda teaching classes, Vedanta classes, anywhere, it is nothing but you are learning, studying the manual to make use of this primary gadget. If you know this, my words, whatever I am talking, if you see the significance of these words, you never miss the Shastra. If you know the importance of my words, significance of my words, and the seriousness of these words, with what intention I am presenting this idea, if you know it's serious, I never leave Shastra in my life. Shastra study is my primary priority, top priority, primary job. Why? Because this is the primary gadget. Why Shastra study alone is primary? If I ask a question, and ask suppose, if I give a bit paper question, why Shastra study alone is a top priority? Why not Aparavidya, other sciences? You have to give this answer. What I am talking from past 8 minutes, you have to give. Since this body-mind gadget is the primary gadgets of using all other gadgets, therefore, to know this primary gadgets, I have to study Shastra. Therefore, this is the primary gadgets, therefore Shastra study is primary. 100 marks. I have never said this, no? This idea I have not present. Appa new present edu varum manasukulla. By Guru's grace, God's grace, Shastra, Mata grace. Excellent. Therefore, why Shastra study, you understand now. It is not just for punyam. Punya also comes anyhow. It is not for time pass. It is my primary top priority study. Primary study. Primary and not preschool. Okay, primary school madri. Primary and top priority. The important, most important job what I am having is scriptural study. I energize myself and I enhance myself, mind, body, everything, sense organs, so that I can improve myself before the gadget is becoming unfit. I have to study about the gadget. This is another point. Second point. Before the gadget is going to become unfit, I have to study about the gadget. Why? Next question. Since the same gadget is the instrument to study about the gadget. Enna Swamini, idella pudusa irukena. Pudusa illa, simple. The primary gadget is the tool to study about the primary gadget. You cannot make use of any other gadget to study about this gadget. You have to make use of this primary gadget to study about the primary gadget. Therefore, before it is becoming unfit to study about itself, I have to study. There is a beautiful shloka for this. I want to tell you about that shloka. Some acharyas, great acharyas, they all write beautiful slokas and they guide the humanity. Yavasvasthamidam shariram arujam. First line. As long as your body is swastham, hale and healthy, until you become old, sick and all, don't postpone the Shastra study. Yavat swasthamidam, idam shariram, arujam, without disease, without any ailment. Whenever your body is hale and healthy without any disease, that is the meaning of first line. Whenever your body is available, healthy, without any disease. Yavasvasthamidam shariram arujam. Then what? Yavajjara durataha. Before old age coming. Still old age is far. Before that. Yavajjara durataha. Jara means old age. Durataha, innu far distance la irukku, innu varla kitta. Yavajjara durataha yavachendriya shaktira pratihataha. As long as your sense organs are indriya shaktira pratihataha, they have not become deficient. Your eyes, ears, nose, mind, sense organs, everything, they have not lost their strength. Yavachendriya shaktira pratihataha. Shaktihi na pratihataha. Shaktihi apratihataha means what? My sense organs are still in strong condition, in patutvam. They are called very, very healthy. Yavakshayona ayushaha. Ayush has not yet gone. My ayush is long, still more is there. Long life term is there. Yavakshayona ayushaha. Ayush nariye irukku. Before, innu koncham da irukku ayush. At the age of 90, evada irukkum ayush? Koncham da irukkum. At the age of 40, 50, lot. Yavakshayona ayushaha. Atmashreyasi tavadeva vidusha. Atmashreyasi tavadeva. Wise person, intelligent person, work for Atmashreyasi, one's own upliftment, spiritual upliftment. Yavat Shreyasi, Atmashreyasi. Atmashreyasi means self-upliftment, moksha, Shreyo Marga. Tavadeva vidusha karya prayatno mahan. One has to put an effort. Karya prayatno mahan. Human being has to put effort. If not, what will happen? All this to be done by a person. What? Spiritual classes regularly attending, preparing myself for future incidents, future experience which are going to come in my life because of prarabdha, because of vidhi, because of kala. Therefore, I am preparing my mind, a strong, hale and healthy, intelligent mind, enlightened mind, wise mind. I am going to make myself ready. Otherwise what? Sandipte bhavanetu upakhananam tadyuddhamakidrishaha. If I don't do this, when my sense organs hale and healthy, I am not studying scriptures. I am not studying about the gadget. Now I am using the new word. Instead of studying scriptures, I say studying about the gadget. Because I am a mixture. Atma, Anatma mixture. I have to study about Atma also. I have to study about Anatma gadget also. For that, Shastra is only the pramanam, instrument for me, Shastra pramanam. Therefore, if I don't do that when I am hale and healthy, young also. When I am young, at that time, if I don't do, it is just like Sandipte Bhavanetu Koopa Khananam. When that house is burning, person is digging the well. When Sandipte Bhavanetu Koopa Khananam. Koopa manna well. Khananam means digging. Digging the well, putting the bore to get water. For what? Why you are digging the well? And Keta, I want to stop that fire which is burning my house. Ippo house burning ஆகும்போது you are digging the well. அது எப்போ dig பண்ணி எப்போ water வந்து by that time what will be there? Ashes only. Is it an intelligent thing? Samdipte bhavanetu koopa khananam. It is pradyudyama kidrishaha. Why you want to put effort? What for that effort? Useless effort. Useless effort. When sense organs lost their health, everything, they are not able to see, they are not able to hear, they are not able to do anything, unfit. Joints are also unfit, out. Whole body gadget is in a dilapidated condition. Suppose not 2 legs are sufficient, I am keeping one more leg, and the one more leg is 4 காலு. அப்போ டோட்டல் எத்தனை காலு? இது 2 அது 4, 6 காலு வச்சுன்னு என்னதான் படிக்க போறேன்ப்பா. அது shivering also. What you are going to study about the gadget? Gadget is in dilapidated condition. It is just like digging the well when the house is under fire. What a beautiful shloka. I will keep this shloka in the next class. You can copy it down. I am writing and putting, nobody is copying down. I do not know. Please copy it down, because the whole day, every day this is to be read, this shloka, so that we can remind ourselves how important Shastra study. In spite of students who are all attending classes, the seriousness has not come in some people because they are not knowing the importance of this Shastra study. That importance they know, this is the time for me to be serious in Shastra study, and Varlana Shastra won't work. It is too late. It is too late. As a teacher, I have to remind this very, very important point. This shloka is very nice shloka. It reminds our top priority. We should not just gloss over this shloka. What a beautiful shloka. You have to thank that Acharya. Bhartrihari writes many shlokas like this. Okay, now we come to this shloka. What is the Pigeon story, Dhane Swamini? Nanaka theriyumma. Enna theriyum? Inda shlokan theriyumma? Inda gadget study theriyumma? That is why teacher is required. You don't find this type of presentation in any books anywhere. Only parampara, Guru Sishya parampara dwara, only the guidance is required all the time. Now the father Pigeon looking at what? Pativrata, wife Pigeon, and unknowingly it has got caught into that net by seeing the children are struggling for their movements and crying. After seeing them, the children in the net, the mother pigeon caught. Unknowingly it went very closely. Just like whenever a child is under danger, any shock thing, anything happens, and the child gets electrical shock, sometimes your mother goes and try to protect. Have you heard that news many times? And she also got shocked and she also died there. We are seeing in our life, because she loves her children, she don't want they to struggle and die. So she want to protect them. At that juncture, she lost her life. Many times we saw these things. At the gas burst cylinder time, electrical shock, something, anything happens, mother is going near. Then after seeing that, this father pigeon, what a unfortunate person I am, how unintelligent I am, I have not taken care of my life. See what is that Anurupa, he is thinking about his wife, father pigeon. That Kapotam is thinking, anurupa anukula cha yasya me patidevata. My wife, for whom husband alone is God for her. That means she looks at me all the time as God, Pati Devata for her. Patihi eva guruhu rupena. Those days, husbands and boys used to go to Gurukulam and they study Shastra thoroughly and they come. Ladies were not going to Gurukula and ladies after marriage, husband teaching that Shastra to them. So husband is a guru only, as well as husband also, guru also, he alone. He is teaching Shastra to her. In Shastra, what do we say in Guru Stotram? Guru, everything, Guru is everything. Guru only Brahma, Guru only Vishnu, Guru only Ishvaraha. So this husband, who is husband come Guru, he is supposed to teach Shastra. What? Taittiriya Upanishad, Mundaka Upanishad, Bhagavad Gita, he is teaching. Then she has to look at the husband who is serving as a Guru, as Ishvara. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwaraha. Patihi Daivam. Correct தானே? அப்போ அந்த காலம்ல பதி தெய்வம் வந்தது. அதுதான் காரணம். புரியுறதா? இப்போ பதி எதுக்கு தெய்வம் வந்தது? கரெக்டா புரிஞ்சுக்கணும் நம்ம. Why for Indian woman husband is equal to God? காரணம் இதுதான். Nowadays அதெல்லாம் relevant இல்ல சுவாமி. ஏன்னா nobody is, husband is also not gone to Gurukula, not studied Shastra, and what way he can become Guru to her. Those days, Dattatreya Kalam, and the time Pati Devata, Anurupa, Anukula, always taking care of husband, what he wants, and serving to him all the time without taking care of her health also. Those days. Because Guru is Daivam. Pati Devata. Now we understand, we got another new point. New points and never. Recently, in Hindu paper from few weeks, from 1 month, some articles are coming. How from ancient time, ladies were looked down upon. Ladies were sacrificing. Ladies were doing everything. Ladies were giving everything to the family, society, but they were not taken care of. The Karikalamar, somebody like that. So many stories he is writing. One lady is writing, I think. And the language she uses is horrible. No? But she can use some decent language. But she is pointing out a feminine woman were so great, so much of sacrificing, but the gents, they were not recognizing their sacrifice. And then she want to highlight that something she is writing. Because they are Puranic, I have to read what is going on in the society, how people are thinking about scriptures, how people are looking at Puranas. I have to read, I am reading also. And the language she is using is not a nice language to be used for Puranas. When you are writing the character of a Puranic stories, you are not supposed to use such a mean language. She could have used some decent language. So when we want to highlight one message, it's good also. But she can see, they don't have full knowledge in Puranas. They see only partially and they write. Anyhow, keep aside that point. What I want to say, Anurupa, Anukula, because the stories are all Anukula, Anurupa stories. That is why they came in my mind now. Then what she did all the way, she left me alone in this house. Shunye grihe santyajya mam. Having left me in this house, I am alone, is there no children, no wife, how can I stay in this house? Putraihi swaryati sadhubihi putraihi. By these innocent children, along with them, she has left to Swarga. The Swarga also is mentioning. The Kapotam is mentioning Swarga. Why? She is Pativrata. She is Pativrata, Anukula, Anurupa. Where she will go? That shows A pativrata, the one who serves her husband like a god, when she looks at him as a god and serve him, definitely she will go to Swarga. There is no doubt in that. Who says? I am not telling. Shastra says. There is no doubt. That is why women all the way, they are refining their mind in course of their daily duties itself. That is a top priority for them. Of course, many were studying Shastra also, like Gargi, Maitreyi. There are many Vidushi Manis are also there. Nowadays you see all metro rails in Bombay. Who are the drivers? Women only. Pilots are women only. Army, women only. In every field they are coming. Nari Shakti and only. Don't mistake me. Gents, don't mistake me. So, why I am telling, one mother is educated, whole family is educated. Why they said one father is educated, whole family educated and sollale. That's why Nari Shakti and solren. Why I have to talk about this? Kapoti, about Kapoti, Kapota is talking. That is why I am talking. Relevant only, okay? I am not talking any irrelevantly. This is the only opportunity for me to talk about Nari Shakti. That's why I am talking. Sadhuvihi, Putraihi, those nice children, beautiful kids, my kids, Sadhuvihi, along with them, she went to Swarga. Not only over, internal monologue is going on further. What is that monologue? Continuation. Soham shunye gruhe dinaham mrutadaro mrutah praja mrutadaro mrutah praja jijivishe kimartham va vidhuro dukkha jivitah. I said those articles, where I read I didn't tell you. You may go and search in anywhere, any paper. It is in Hindu paper, those articles, beautiful articles comes in that paper. Those articles are very interesting also, very analytical also, which are very important. Therefore, it came in Hindu paper. A series of talks they are writing about one other lady, and she is a lady somehow. And the பேரு பார்த்தா ஒரு மாதிரி இருக்கு. Whether she is a Hindu or doubtful இருக்கு. Anyhow, forget about it. Because it is connected to Puranas. That's why it is touching me so much. Satyavan Savitri she wrote. Karikal Ammavar she wrote one. And Parvati she wrote. So many items like that. Items and characters. Okay. What is your item and சொல்லுவா? எது சொன்னாலும் கஷ்டம். என்ன சுவாமினி என்ன ஐட்டம்னு சின்ன வயசுல டிராமா பண்ணும்போது கேரக்டர்ஸுக்கு என்ன ஐட்டம் இப்போ இன்னும் என்ன ஐட்டம்னு சொல்லுவேன். That's why it came in my mind. Item anna. Don't think any other item. Okay. Now look into this sloka. Saha aham, such me, who left, my wife has left, the children have left, they left me alone in this house. Such me, saha aham, shunye grihe. Then the house, nobody is there. Shunyam, empty house. Shunye grihe. What happened? Shunye grihe. Mrutadaraha, mrutaprajaha, dinaha. Mrutadaraha. I am the one who lost his wife. Mrutadaraha means, dara means wife. Mruta means died. I am the one whose wife is dead now. Mrutadaraha. Not only wife, at least she could have left children. Enough children, adi munnade poita. Mrutaprajaha. My children also left me. My companions, both of them, children as well as my wife, they have left me. Dinaha. I am orphaned like. I am in a pitiable condition, unfortunate. Dinaha. Orphaned. Then, kimartham va jijivishe. Why I have to live? For whose sake I have to live? For whose sake I have to live? What is the purpose of my life? When I don't have children and wife, for whom I have to continue my life? Katham, kimartham, for what purpose? For what sake I have to jijivishe, live in this world? I am viduraha, I am a widower now. Widower means a male, when he lost his wife, he is called viduraha. Viduraha, dukkha jivitaha, I am suffering. Even I continue my life also, am I going to live peacefully? Am I going to live happily? Impossible. Even I continue my life, I have to suffer and continue my life. I don't want such life. Rest of the life, I have to live with a painful, sorrowful mind only I have to live. I don't want. Viduraha aham. Dukkha jivitaha. My life is tragic and sorrowful. Kapota words put in inverted commas. These are all inverted commas you have to put. My life has become miserable. Further continuation. Tam stathaiva mrutan shigmihi. Naiva mrutan shigmihi. मृत्युर प्रस्थान विचेष्टतः स्वयं च कृपणः चिक्षुः शिक्षु पश्यन्नप्यबुधो पतते. What is the conclusion of this Kapota then? Why my life? For what purpose? For whose sake? Therefore, let me end my life also. That is what nowadays people are doing. Share market down and I am also down. Share market always, today may jump up, tomorrow goes down. You cannot rely upon that. Your life can be decided by share market. Any market for that matter. ஒரு சீட்டு கிடைக்கல, மெடிக்கல் சீட்டுன்னு சொல்ல என்ன சூசைடு பெட்டர், அந்த அம்மா படிக்காமல் இருக்கிறது நல்லது. This lady, girl going and studying medical college, what type of doctor she is going to become tomorrow? Tell me. Dangerous. They are not supposed to study such a type of mind. People should not enter into medical field. Understand? Where that psychology goes, where that mind will go away. And these people are doing lot of strikes, goes on, agitation. Instead of telling that incident that is very ignorant, innocent way of action, she should not do and solla vendidhu poi, and they are all supporting. And amma pooja patam vechindi aarati. Enna aarati, enna pannindi irukka asalu, enna ardham irukku? How can you encourage a person who does suicide for mere sheer causes? You have to think about that person's mindset. And the mindset think pannamal irukra inda mindset think pannanum ipo nama. These people who are doing agitation, what mindset these people are having? That's why weak-minded people should not be encouraged anywhere. We want a strong-minded people, healthy-minded people, not weak people. They are always dangerous to the society, unhealthy. Understand? We want courageous, not out and they are all bad exemplaries for the society. It's a bad exemplary. She becomes a bad exemplary to the society. Once these leaders all go for that thing, agitation, they are more bad exemplaries for the next generation, younger generations. These leaders, so-called leaders who are doing agitation, they are sending a wrong message to the society. Like this, so many things are happening because this isn't recent hot news, that's why I am telling. All news are coming today. Okay. Then what Kapota thought, Tan stathaiva avrutan shigmihi. Tan, that means that children and wife, having seen them, who are all caught in the net, avrutan shigmihi, by the net. Shigmi means net. Shik धातु चकारान्तः शिक् शब्दः शिक् शिचौ शिचः तृतीया विभक्ति शिग्मिभिः by the net mrityu grastan, those who are caught in the mrityu because of vidhi prarabdha yamadharma rajas the net jalam mrityu grastan vicheshthatah, they are struggling to come out of that net. Birds, they are struggling to come out. Vicheshthatah. And swayam, after seeing all of them, they are not able to come out. My life is waste. Therefore, swayam cha kripanaha. Kripanaha swayam shikshuhu. You have to do anvaya in this manner. Kripanaha, that kapotam, which is unfortunate. Kapotam, kripanaha means unfortunate. Swayam, by itself, swayam, having seen them, Pashyan, having seen all of them, that Abudhaha means unintelligent. Abudhaha, unintelligent. Pashyan api, having seen the tragedy of there, this bird also want to enter into that tragedy. Abudhaha apatat, this kapotam also just entered, means fallen, that fell in that net thoughtlessly. Abudhaha means thoughtlessly. The male Picean got into that net jalam. Tam labdha lubdhata kruraha kapotam gruhamedhinam kapotakan kapoti cha siddhartha prayayo griham. Lubdhakaha kruraha tam labdhva. Lubdhakaha, the hunter. Hunter is a sadhu hunter. Kruraha is very, very cruel person. The cruel hunter, tam labdhva, having got all of them, that kapota, tam labdhva means kapotam, kapotakan, kapoti. Kapotam means male pigeon, kapoti, mother pigeon, kapotakan means bird, baby pigeons. All of them, labdhva, having got all of them. Grihamedhinam, here grihamedhi means the one who does griha karmas, yajnas and all called grihamedhi. Medha means yajna. Medhi means one who does griha krityams, household duties. Both of them were doing household duties. They are called grihamedhi. Grihamedhinam tam. Those householders, along with their children, having taken them, this hunter, cruel hunter, Siddharthaha. Siddharthaha means really we use this word for a jnani. Siddhaha, arthaha, prayojanam. Who has accomplished. But this word is used for hunter now. Okay, Siddharthaha means the one who has accomplished what has to be accomplished. Siddhaha, Purusharthaha, Enasaha, Siddharthaha. Griham prayayo. He happily went to his house. Now he today he is a feast for him. So he is also thinking, my children are waiting with hunger, my wife is also waiting with hunger. Therefore, now I have got a lot of food today. Yayo griham. Story over. 8th Guru lesson, what? Now Dattatreya says, Evam kutumbya shantatma, Evam kutumbya shantatma, Dvandva ramah patatrivate, Pushnan kutumbam kripanah, सानुबन्धो वसीदति. Evam, in this manner, as happened in the story, similarly, human beings are also not much different. They are also struggling, earning, morning till night for the stomach's sake, for family's sake. Evam, in this manner, kutumba, ashantatma, dvandva ramaha, ashantatma, kutumbi, ashantatma, kutumbyashantatma. This kutumbi, householder, either mother householder or father householder, both of them, the parents, the couples, dvandva ramaha, they are reveling in pair of opposites. Ramaha means reveling. Dvandva means pair of opposites. Sukha, dukkha, jaya, apajaya, union and separation, all opposites. Life ennale opposites. So dvandva ramaha, because of that pair of opposites they are facing, they are all ashantatma, they are restless, anxious, very much concerned. Ashantatma, kutumbam pushnan, in nourishing their family. Kutumbam pushnan means nourishing their family, house, children, education, so many other things. First, educating the children until they get job, then marriage, then their children, and taking care of that children, and going for walk along with them, not able to run along with them, struggling to run. Somehow or other, kutumbam pushnan. Kripanaha, this unfortunate person, without having any purpose, not knowing the purpose of life, what for I have come, dharma, artha, kama, only 3 purusharthas, they are carried away by that, not knowing the moksha purushartha. I told you in the last class, alone to alone, all alone. We have come alone, we are going alone. Therefore, while living time also, don't lose your goal. My life is for my purpose. Every relation is only to learn a lesson. Every relation, every experience is only to learn a lesson for me, not for anything else. Because of attachment, because of love, so much love, it is not ordinary. The Maya, Agatita Ghatana Patiyasi Maya. The Maya Jalam, here Maya Jalam. That's why Bhagavan gives a lot of bitter experiences also. Appadiyadu vellila varuvano ani. Adi kuda varmata. And Bhagavan ne tittuva. They don't come out of that ajnanam. On the other hand, they criticize Bhagavan. So, kripanaha, unfortunate person, avasidati, he ends his life. My life is waste, why I have to live? My wife dead, my life is waste. And அந்த அம்மா வந்து இந்த காஃபி டெய்லி வந்து கொடுத்துட்டே இருப்பான் பாபம். ஸோ டிஃபன் ஹாட்டாக ஆவிரி வரும்போதே she used to give everything like a baby. He was served by her, and wife goes away, he becomes handicapped. What for? Children are somewhere, I am alone, who is taking care of me? For whose sake I have to live? God, bhakti, japa, gipa, gone. The past went away person kaha ivar mande struggling and suffering like that only. ஏன் God பத்தி திங்க் பண்ணலாம் இல்லையோ? ராமகோட்டை எழுதலாமே, எழுத முடியலன்னா கணிசம் ஸ்மரணம் பண்ணலாமே. Are you born for your wife's sake or Bhagavan's sake? Your life is for Bhagavan's sake or your mother, father, brother's sake? Enna unintelligently we are living and thinking we are, I am raising my voice, thinking we are so intelligent. சுவாமிக்கு என்ன வேலை இருக்க? சும்மா வந்து கிளாஸ் எடுத்துட்டே இருப்பான், நல்லா கிளாஸ் சொல்லுவான். நமக்கு எத்தனை டியூட்டி என்ன? கேட்ஜெட், ஸ்டடி, Okay. Avasi that wasting its life, ending its life with what? A lot of worry, guilt, hurt, all those things. Tevaya. Nimmadiya Krishna Raman sollalamalliyo. I have accomplished what I have to accomplish in my life. My purpose of the life's purpose is served. Anandama irukalamalliyo. He can be an exemplary to the next future younger generations. Appadi irukka maata. ஒரு கேஸ்ட்ராயில் ஃபேஸ் வச்சுன்னு அவர் பார்த்தாலே எல்லாரும் ஓடி போயிடுவா. அப்படியே இருக்கணும். ஓல்டு பர்சன் வந்து அப்படியே இருக்கணும், ஓடி போகக்கூடாது. அவர்கிட்ட வந்து இன்னொன்று கற்றுக்கணும்னு தோணணும். when it can come. For youngsters, old people is an asset actually because they are experienced. Vruddha is not a vruddha, really speaking. He is really an experienced person. He has got a lot to teach about his life. My life is like this. I have learned these lessons. My children, please listen. You should not commit these mistakes. What I have done. Good things you do like this. இப்படியெல்லாம் சொல்லலாம் இல்லையோ? சொல்லலாம், சொல்ல மாட்டேன். அவசியத்தை along with them, worrying along sanubandhe. Sanubandha along with anubandha. Along with them means continuously thinking about family members. In the ulagam kuda unga family daane, think pannalame. Why you have to think about your own son, daughter, your family? Is this society is not your family? Why can't you mature even that much? Amma ennoda family naane da. Adikku some joke somebody said, nuclear family, nuclear. You know, nuclear and the Korea country is using hydrogen bomb madri. In the nuclear family, enna andarimo, any time it can burst. Explosion. In the nuclear family lo explosions ella varum. Joint family lo explosions varadu. Enna varadhukku chances irukadu. Inga enna naanada raja, naanda rani. மாதிரி நியூக்ளியர் ஃபேமிலிஸ்ல தான் எக்ஸ்ப்ளோஷன் வரும். அதுக்கு தான் டைவர்ஸ். அது சொல்லலை. பெயர் ஆஃப் ஆப்போசிட்ஸ் என்ன? மேரேஜ் அண்ட் டைவர்ஸ், அசோசியேஷன் அண்ட் டிசோசியேஷன். அது கூட பெயர் ஆஃப் ஆப்போசிட் தானே இல்லையா? சரி, கம் டு த நெக்ஸ்ட். ஸோ டோன்ட் வரி. தேர் ஆல் ஃபெலோ ட்ராவலர்ஸ் லைக் passengers. They are traveling together, their station comes, they get down. Easy to say, Swamini, நீங்க வந்து சன்னியாசி, உங்களுக்கு யாருமே கிடையாது. So easy to say, but we don't say it is easy to implement, but we have to do analysis. We should not think life is only for dharma, artha, kama. There is one more purushartha which gives you joy, peace and happiness. Don't forget that. Yah prapya manusham lokam mukti dvaram apavritam griheshu khagavat saktah tamarudhachutam viduhu. In the bottom line, I said in the last class, there is a moral, there is a message for every story. Now you forget about the story. What Dattatreya want to communicate, the message, this is very important. Yaha manusham lokam prapya. Whoever, yaha, whoever anna, namada, human beings, manusham lokam, having attained, acquired manusham lokam, this manushya loka, manushya janma nartham. Manushya janma, one who has attained this manushya janma. What is the significance of this manushya janma? Dattatreya says, mukti dvaram apavritam. Moksha dvara is opened for human life. Moksha dvara opened. A human life is that for which moksha dvaram, the entry gate of moksha is already opened. You are eligible, my dear human species. Bhagavan சொல்றார், my dear human species, you are eligible to enter into fourth Purushartha. What about other species? That is why when Yudhishthira doing Swarga Rohanam, the dog was also following. When he is going to enter into that Swarga, that chariot, the Devatas didn't allow that dog inside. For dogs it is not allowed. Only human beings can go to Swarga. Dogs cannot go. They obstructed. Then Yudhishthira said, I am also not entering. I am not also coming. What about my brother, sister, my brother and wife, all of them? Devata said, they have already come, reached Swarga. They are waiting for you. Oh, then I will come. What about my dog? No, then I won't come. Then, to see the Yudhishthira's dharma, nature, that is, dog is none other than Yamadharma Raja. Yamadharma Raja is a great jnani, okay? He is a wise person. He is very happy for Yudhishthira's words. I am only following as a dog with you. Kala Bhairava. I am only following. Dog is none other than myself only. That is the story. Okay? Mokshadvaram apavratam. Mokshadvara is open for human birth. Griheshu khagavat saktaha. Arudhaha tam. All the way this person has come. Arudhaha. All the way he has got the Manushya Janma. I used to say one shloka. Mahata punya panyena kriteyam kaya naustvaya param dukkho dadher gantum yavanna vidyate. Before the body boat is going to get destroyed, may you reach that shore of that moksha. That shloka is very, very nice shloka. Before that, you have to reach that. Develop immunity and artham. Develop mental immunity before old age coming, before death is coming, before diseases are coming. Develop mental immunity. What is AIDS in Therimo? AIDS is not a disease actually. AIDS is acquired immunity deficiency syndrome. Acquired immunity deficiency. AIDS, immunity deficiency syndrome. That is called disease, AIDS. AIDS and சொன்னாலே எவ்வளவு பயப்படுறாங்க பாருங்க. அசல் அதை பத்தி என்ன தெரியாமலே. People are losing the immunity capacity. Once you live in all fine conditions, in America, many of our Indians, they are facing the same problem. Every house, wherever I went, they have got this immunity deficiency. Not AIDS, immunity. Because allergy problem. Because everything is pure, water is pure, air is pure, everything is pure. They can't open their windows also. Because their body has lost their immunity capacity. If they come here, you know what is their condition. For 10 days, 15 days, either they go to bathroom all the time, either motions or vomitings or fever. Because here, water problem, water contamination, air contamination, everything, air pollution, water contamination, mosquitoes, we are happily living in immunity. If you live too hygienic also, your body loses its immunity. Learn to toughen your body, toughen and increase your immunity. Similarly, don't run away from that. Really speaking, they are running away from this culture. For water's sake, for air's sake, they are running and losing that immunity. What a culture, what a land. How can one leave this land culture? So, kutumbinaha, householders, griheshu, khagavat, like the birds. Khaga means birds. Saktaha. Saktaha means attached to each other. Attached to each other. Arudhachutam. All the way they have come to Manushya Janma. And they have come to Vaidika Sampradaya, Vaidika Parampara. Manushya Janma, Vaidika Parampara, cultured country, cultured civilization, having born in this civilization, as a Hindu, having born in this civilization, Arudha Chutam, fallen. Just lost his goal. Suddenly, I remember, nowadays, our children, they are talking, who are all in abroad. We are mostly following our culture. We are only following than Indians. They say, இது ஒரு dialogue, புதுசா வந்திருக்கேன் இப்போ. My children always go to cultural classes, dance class, music class, எல்லா கிளாஸுக்கு போவா. And sloka classes. Because I am hearing from many people these words, who are all in America, Australia, England, Canada, where are they? They are all talking about this. Music they are learning, dance they are learning. I am not criticizing them. How false prestige, how the split personality, you see. They are learning culture, they are chanting, they are doing stotras, chanting. Maria, angiyam ponu? Why you have to go there? If you are interested in music, if you are interested in dance, if you are interested in our culture, why you have to go there? Tell me. No answer. And here children only not following. Adu vere innor criticism. But they are breathing this air. I want to say, I give the answer to them. They are breathing the air of the rishis. They are touching the man, the land, what is the mud, where the rishis have touched. If they have answer, I also have answer. If that much culture is so great, you are practicing after going there also, why you have to go at all? We have no opportunities. Come here and get the opportunity. Command your opportunities. You can command the opportunities. Arudha Chutam. All the way, Manushya Janma, born in this culture. Shastra says, why person has to waste his life? No, we are also listening to Vedanta. Are you listening from a guru? Are you studying from a sannyasi, swami or swamini directly? Are you serving your parents directly? Matru devo bhava, pitru devo bhava, acharya devo bhava, atidhi devo bhava. Therefore, lot of things we have to think. Anyhow, the day will come. They will not go there. Adu varappodhu vandachu already. It has come. They are recognizing the importance of motherland. Arudham, all the way they have studied, well educated. Manushya Janma, Chutam, Vish, Satyam. Anything you can convert into positively. And the Satyam, like a mani madrida. Satyam. So what lesson? Make use of your human life. Don't waste your time. The top priority, gadget number 1, study. What is gadget number 1? Adi marakkodadu. Body-mind complex. With which gadget you make use of other gadgets. Even to handle your son gadget, mother gadget, putri gadget, adella handle pannanumna inda gadget patti therinjukkanum. So if you have this knowledge, you are the great teacher to your children. Great teacher. You may not teach, but you have that teaching capacity, knowledge. Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavasishyate. Om Shanti 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 Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Harihi Om.